Well, we're at George Washington's Mount Vernon, celebrating George Washington and his leaving Mount Vernon frankly, for 6 years. He was called to Philadelphia. He and George Mason were called to come there as representatives of Virginia, where they will be looking and considering where this country should be going now that the shots have been fired at Lexington and Concord.
Mount Vernon means so much to me, but my duty to my country means more.
We know this is an integral part of Fairfax County's history, and we have so many treasures in Fairfax County, historic treasures, but our role in this is significant. This property, of course, is central to our history and central to Fairfax County.
These events are critical because they bring history alive. Bringing history alive helps particularly younger people who maybe don't quite know how this all fits together feel it. I mean, experientially understand it.
My mom is a middle school teacher, and she always reminded me that history has many utilities, but probably one of the most important utilities is learning from your history so that you can always do better. And what the Mount Vernon Ladies Association and Mount Vernon has done by making sure that we tell our entire history, including through the eyes of the slaves that worked this land, I think is really important, not just to our One Fairfax notion, but also for our kids to understand the path that we've been on as a nation has been an imperfect one, but it's one that we need to understand.
We have a great website, which is fairfaxcounty.gov/Mount Vernon, and there's all kinds of information there, not only about America's 250th, but also Mount Vernon and how all these pieces are essential parts of our history and can make a difference in your life.